Welcome. In this video, we're going to guide you through the simple steps to make yourself single on Facebook using your PC. Whether you're updating your profile or just exploring the platform's features, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Facebook's website by typing facebook.com into the address bar. Once there, log into your account if you haven't already. Now that you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will take you directly to your profile page. Once you're on your profile page, locate the About section. You'll find it beneath your cover photo, usually listed among other tabs like Timeline and Friends. Click on About to access more detailed information about yourself. Next, in the left-hand menu, click on Family and Relationship. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you'll see your current relationship status displayed. To make changes, find the Edit icon next to your relationship status. It looks like a small pencil. Click on it to open the editing options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Single as your new relationship status. Once you've made your choice, don't forget to click Save to confirm your changes. And that's it. Your relationship status is now updated to Single on Facebook. Simple, right? If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.